Over there. Look, over there by the window. All in there. My baby boy helping me vacuum the living room, y'all. So, we trying to vacuum everything. Get everything moved. My trash can. Cleaning products, of course. Ramen noodles. Tissue. Toiletry stuff. But this is all the stuff I got packed up so far. All the stuff we gonna take. Gotta get all that stuff off the table. We got a vacuum in this area right here. So I'm gonna just record Braylon vacuuming, y'all. Not in the window. No, no, no. No, no. On the carpet. Go over here again. Hi, Braylon.
Hi.
Are you ready to move?
Yeah, I'm for real ready to move.
Okay. Good job, baby. You're doing good, okay? Look at some trash right there. Right here, look. What is this? My baby's toys. Okay. That's enough, man. Do it on the floor, Clark. On the floor. Right there by the door. Right, like mommy was doing. The creek at the door, right? Yeah, like that. Go all the way down. Hey, vacuum right there by the couch. Vacuum under the couch. Under. Yeah, like that. Vacuum good. Let me move this. Okay. Vacuum kind of by the table. Come on, let's clean it. Right there. Vacuum the crease right there by the window. All right there. Go down. No, we don't move them in a minute. Go down. All right here too. You missed it. Right there, baby. All right there. Okay. I can't really bring it that far though. Vacuum under the table. Under the table. Let me move this chair right here. Let me move this. Right. Get the vacuum cleaner. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Vacuum under the table. Under the table. No, you ain't gotta take the vacuum all the way under there. Vacuum a little bit under the table. Vacuum good. Get all the trash. All under there. Get all the trash you see. Really good. Get every crumb up. Right, you still got a vacuum under the table, baby. Behind you. Now, get it. Get it. Get it. Well, get it. Reach it. Just reach it. Go. Go all in the corner. Yeah, like that. Go down. Go down. Get that little piece of trash. Get this too. Just stuff it over here.
Okay, put it back.
Okay. Got it? I'm vacuuming too, guys, a little bit.
Mom, let's get some more trash over there.
Oh, here, put that on there.
You just
Go unplug the vacuum. Oh, carry it. Unplug. Wait, up there. Give me the cord.
We gotta do it on the other side.
Yeah, we're gonna go vacuum on the other side, guys. Grab the vacuum cord. Go get your shoe. I'll vacuum a little bit on that part, and then can you record, mommy? Go. But you gotta record right. Okay? Plug it up. You gotta get some of the big stuff up first. Cause I think that black thing, get that. Give it to mommy, all that. Give it to me.
Wait, with this can't go.
Give me that. Give me all that. Here, come on, hurry up so we can get finished. Get that too. I don't know what that is. Right here. Look, right here. Here, give it to me. Plug it by the right over here, look. Hold on, man. Hold on. Oh, let's get the cord. Okay, now plug it right. Hook that thing back up. Hold on, guys. Oh, God. I probably shouldn't be throwing it outside. Oh, well. We ain't got no garbage bag. Just bring it over there a little. Not a lot. Just a little. You don't gotta have a whole vacuum over there. As long as you can reach. Look, you got this tangled, Braylon. You got it tangled. No, vacuum in that area. Don't tangle it. Wait. Braylon, now get the thing. Oh, God. You gotta vacuum good if you're gonna vacuum. But let mommy see. Let me take over. Move back. You gotta vacuum extremely good. Get the vacuum up, Braylon. Pick it up. Okay, now you finish. Come. We can't get this cord tangled up. Come on, get this little piece. Get that. I don't know what that is. Get that. We could probably vacuum a little. You want to vacuum a little in the room? Just a little. Right there. I'll pull it down. You gotta go this way, so here. Go that way. You gotta vacuum good along the wall. Vacuum under that thing. Keep going. Our fish tank. Keep vacuuming, baby. Vacuum back there too. Vacuum back. I'm gonna pull it. Vacuum back there a little. Can you reach it? Get back there a little bit. Got it? What is that? Move back. Never mind. But guys, I think this is going to be the end of our video. Bryce, say bye. We'll see y'all guys in our next video, okay? I just want to show you us vacuuming our living room, by the dining table, a little bit in our bedroom. Maybe tomorrow we'll do a part 2, guys, of vacuuming my whole bedroom. Once we get my bed out the bedroom, we undo the bed, but like the pliers and stuff like that, we'll do the rest, okay? But I'll see y'all in my next video. This is Simply Hope's Life here. Peace, love, and hair grease. That's my slogan. Till next time. Also, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you want to, share the video with anyone that you know. And just let them know what your girl is doing on her platform. hopefully you guys will see a new apartment tour of my new apartment, and that'll be on tomorrow. So just stay tuned for that video, okay, guys? So y'all see y'all in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Peace out.